Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2023 Nautique S23. So the S series is got a little bit different of a hull design, more of that pointed bow, but just looks awesome. I love the colors on this one. This is our steel blue metal flake. So out on the water it really pops, and then we did the black bottom. Let's go down to the side here. We got our nice manual tower that folds backward. It does come with a bimini. The bimini will be installed fairly soon. So, and then we got two 8.8-inch JL drivers up on the tower as well. As we come to the back here, the interior is a nice sand color, really good looking, brown if you will, with the brown sea decking. We do have the pop-up pylon for skiing or tubing or anything you want to do there. And then down here at the bottom, we obviously have the NSS, the Nautique Surf System, along with the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running System. Those two work together to create that nice wake and wave for surfing, wakeboarding, skiing, really anything you really want to do. So we've got the steer assist here. So if this boat is nice and heavy and you're having trouble around docks or lifts, you press the button, go into 360. Going a straight line backwards. Awesome option to have. Nautique surf pipe, all the emissions go up and bubble underneath. So lots of other options on this boat. If you want to come take a look at this boat, give us a call or set up an appointment. We'd love to show it to you or get it on the water and do a demo. So again, here MarineMax at Rogers, and as always, click that like button for this video and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.